Hello, this is Raina with LYLO Crafts coming on today as part of hashtag Embellish With Us Wednesdays. And I want to start off with an announcement, a sad one. Marianne of Marianne's Craft Corner, who was the person who started this Embellish With Us Wednesdays, she had to step down from this collab because of some health reasons. And so please, you guys, would you join me in praying for her that her health would get better? And she did tell me that I could go ahead and continue if I wanted, and so I haven't fully decided yet, so I'm going to continue on today while I assess that, and I'm hoping to get to connect with her live before finally deciding what to do. So today I have 3 sweet little mitten embellishments, and these are actually quite nice size. They are almost 6 inches in height, and this is because Isabel of the Shabby Hippie, she was having a challenge and was asking for these sweet little mittens to hang up in her room. And since my mom had to have emergency surgery and other life things, I didn't get done in time, but I want to support her and I want to send one in. So I made this sweet little mitten. I made it double-sided. I put some hydrangea flowers in here. I thought they were beautiful for winter, along with, I added just a little bit of Winka Stella. I added pom-pom trim around the edge, and then I think this world needs so much more peace. And so I triple matted up this sentiment of peace, and I think this is such an elegant and wintry little mitten. So I had so much fun with that, I couldn't stop. So I made 2 more. Now these can be used as fully card fronts, or I really think they would be amazing Christmas ornaments for a Christmas tree because they are nice sized. And all I did was just freehand this by hand. But she does have a template on her website if you want to use that. And so this is my second one, and it's got that mint green and white paper, and this paper is from Gina Loves to Craft, so thank you so much, Gina. And I'll put a link to Isabel's channel as well as Gina's channel in the description below. And I love deer. I love them, love them, love them. And so I thought this ephemera was perfect to use. So I have a Dollar Tree little iridescent snowflake ornament in the background. I used pom-pom trim around the edge. I popped up the ephemera on 3 different levels on here to add more interest. So the snowflake, the tree, and the deer. And then I used the same tool over here to create a banner backing for this sentiment of Christmas. And I love the way that that turned out. And so what I tried to do, and here is my third one, and this one is going the opposite direction. And I tried to put components in each one so they would still tie together of a set. So instead of small pom-poms this time, I used bigger pom-poms and made this fluffy little wristlet portion. And I've got that tulle rosette again in the background on this one, like I did here. And this time I used one of those pink glitter stars that I had in my stash from the Dollar Tree. I used the same little ephemera set and also popped this up on multiple dimensions. So these are my sweet little mitten embellishments today, and I would love for you to join on in. All you have to do is use the hashtag Embellish With Us Wednesdays and add my channel at LYLO Crafts so I can find your video, and other people can too. So thank you so much for tuning in and seeing what I created today. I am still in that winter mode. I think we have such cold weather here. It's still making me want to craft for winter. So let me know what kind of weather you're having too. And I hope you have an amazing day. Bye-bye.